Hi guy. In this video we take a look at the best dash cams. The dash cams are more like an essential rather than a luxury. It gives that crucial bit of evidence that can save you from potential dangers hiding on the roads out there. These devices are capable of recording footage in 4K and offer all the essential and necessary features that you always longed to have in your outdated ones. In this video, we will recommend to you the 5 best dash cams. We consider them based on a variety of factors, especially taking into account performance, features and price. So you can easy to decide which is best for you. The prices of these dash cams may vary from time to time. To know their exact prices, please visit the product link in the description. Moreover, don't forget to click like and subscribe to get the latest videos about these products. And now, we go to the top 5 best dash cams. Ranked 5th is Dash Cam Front and Rear CHORTAU. The Dash Cam Front and Rear CHORTAU has some key features and specifications like 1080 pixels resolution, 170-degree wide-angle lens, 3-inch LCD display, waterproof rear camera, and many other features. Dash cameras are designed to minimize handling, and so is the CHORTAU Dual Dashcam. It is equipped with sensors to automatically start recording when it detects movement or the slightest impact on the vehicle. So, if another car owner was to scratch your vehicle, the camera will spring into action and record the evidence. The wide-range camera can capture footage to a 170-degree and 130-degree angle to the front and rear respectively. Additionally, the front camera can produce videos of a maximum of 1080 pixels resolution. The front camera is strong enough to record license plates as well as the road signs. The cameras themselves are fully waterproof and can record footage in all types of weather conditions and throughout the nighttime too. And easy to install the camera, it comes with a suction mount to attach virtually anywhere on your car's windshield. Once you have mounted it in the right place, you need to plug in the micro South Dakota before connecting to a power supply. As soon as it ignites, the camera will spring into action. It supports expandable memory by up to 32 GB. When the memory fills up, using a seamless loop recording program, the camera automatically overwrites old footage with new content, ensuring that you have the latest recordings available. Where there is a sudden collision, the camera will automatically save current videos, lock them in SOS files, and prevent overwriting. Ranked 4th is Vantrue N2 Pro Uber. The Vantrue N2 Pro Uber has some key features and specifications like dual lens 1080p car camera, 24 hours parking mode and auto LCD off, Sony sensor infrared night vision, optional GPS, and many other features. Vantrue N2 Pro is a 2-in-1 dashcam with a front-facing camera and interior-facing camera. They usually call this type of dashcam a rideshare dashboard camera or taxi cam. 2-in-1 dashcam record what is happening ahead of you and what is happening inside the vehicle at the same time. Vantrue N2 Pro front camera records full HD, 1080p video using an Omnivision OV4689 image sensor with a wide lens angle of 170 degrees to capture the entire front area of your car. The interior camera uses a Sony IMX323 image sensor and 4 infrared lights to record a full HD video with a 140 degrees lens angle. The interior camera records high-quality video both day and night and captures the entire width of your car interior. Vantrue N2 Pro Dash Cam Park Mode uses motion and impact detection to activate recording 24/7 when you are away from your vehicle. It supports a large storage with 256 GB microSD memory capacity. Ranked 3rd is Resheen V1 4K Ultra HD Car Dash Cam. The Resheen V1 has some key features and specifications like 4K video resolution, built-in Wi-Fi, 170-degree ultra-wide-angle lens and WDR, 24-hour parking monitor, and many other features. The Resheen V1 is an affordable high-endurance dashcam that can record in 4K. It offers a wider 170 degrees wide-angle view that can cover 4-lane traffic with ease. The device looks pretty stealthy and can stay concealed near the dashboard. The V1, unlike its peers, is a high-endurance dashcam. It can withstand harsh temperatures and humidity. The supercapacitor inside the V1 makes it endure extreme temperatures and prevents overheating. Talking about the features, this 4K dash cam comes with Wi-Fi, GPS, and G sensors. The G sensor inside the dashcam triggers the loop and emergency recording. The device can accommodate South Dakota cards of up to 256 GB. There is the overwriting feature that saves storage and prolongs the South Dakota card's life. The Resheen V1 is a good option to consider if you're planning to make the most of its parking mode. When the parking mode is on, the cam records a 20-sec video when suspicious activities or vibrations are detected. If you want, you can actually hardwire the device into your vehicle's battery so that you get constant parking mode surveillance. Ranked second is Kingslim D4 4K Dual Dash Cam. The Kingslim D4 4K has some key features and specifications like record videos in front 4K and rear 1080p resolution, 3-inch IPS touchscreen, Sony sensor and night vision, built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, and many other features. The Kingslim D4 can record what's happening around your off-roader so that any moment doesn't go unnoticed. That's not all. The Kingslim offers you crisp 4K 2.5K resolution pictures and videos to get a clear visual whenever you pull back on the thrilling moments you had on that off-roading trip. With the addition of a 170-degree comprehensive FOV recording system, this camera can practically capture all that your eye can see at the front without falling for the fisheye effect. The camera has a fitted Sony StarVis sensor that captures night moments just perfectly. Kingslim has designed this camera to accommodate a 3-inch IPS touchscreen display that only gets friendlier with every menu it avails. Moreover, the camera is fitted with a GPS tracking device that shows your real-time location and even measures your off-roader's speed. The camera can record video footage on a 24/7 basis unless you disable that feature in the settings. You don't have to worry about disk space anymore, as the Kingslim D4 is loop recording enabled, meaning that it overwrites old footage at the expense of newer ones. The D4 is well known to work even under extreme weather conditions. There is much more to the video recording that this camera has to offer. For instance, using the D4's GPS and its compatibility with a mobile device, you can keep track as you off-road so that you don't get lost. Moreover, the Kingslim D4 is fitted with a G sensor and a collision detector that gets you covered in case of an accident. With the help of your mobile phone, you can download saved footage and share it with your fellow off-roading enthusiasts. Ranked first is the VAVA Dual Dash Cam. The VAVA Dual Dash Cam has some key features and specifications like Dual 1080p Dash Cam, superior Sony night vision, Wi-Fi Dash Cam and VAVA Dash app, 24 hours parking monitor, and many other features. At the high price range, this camera comes with some of the most technologically advanced features from all the products on this list. A crystal clear simultaneous recording is guaranteed when using this dash cam. The front and rear camera simultaneously capture the road front, 155 degrees, and rear, 126 degrees, in crystal details at dual 1920x 1080p 30 fps. Or single front camera provides you with a crystal clear QHD 2560x 1440p 30 fps video resolution. The camera is also able to be connected to Wi-Fi, allowing you to upload it to your computer as well as YouTube, Instagram, Facebook and all other kinds of social media. An app is also provided by VAVA that allows you to watch footage recorded from the camera live as well as control a limited amount of features from the camera. The mobile app can be linked up to Google Maps, allowing you to use the GPS features to always track the location of your vehicle. It is designed to be compact, so it does not impair your field of vision as well as so it does not break very easily. 4 lights are also installed with this camera that ensure a clear view whenever filming with this camera. When coupled with the night vision mode, it makes this VAVA one of the best at recording during the night as well as tricky weather conditions. With reviews of these 5 best dash cams, we hope you will choose the right dash cam for your car. However, they have different prices, and prices can change from time to time, so to know the exact price of each product, please visit the link in the description. Any questions, please leave a comment. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to encourage us and receive the latest videos. Thank you very much.